Do you know how was 15th of August chosen to be the Independence Day of India? Surya Narayan Vyas, a known Vedic astrologer, advised Dr. Rajendra Prasad, President of Constituent Assembly, to declare independence at 12 am, the 15th of August 1947. Sir Cyril Radcliffe, known for Radcliffe Line that divides India and Pakistan, had originally suggested June 6, 1948 as the date to declare independence. Lord Mountbatten, Second World War hero, chose the 15th of August to commemorate Japanese surrender to Allied forces on the 14th of August 1945. Indian tricolour flag was first hoisted at the Princess Park near India Gate on August 15, 1947. In absence of national anthem, Srimati Sucheta Kriplani, later Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh, sang Vande Mataram song in Indian Constituent Assembly. George VI, then King Emperor of India, became titular King of India. His title was abolished after establishment of the Republic of India January 26, 1950. Around 500,000 Indians had gathered outside Constituent Assembly in Delhi to celebrate independence of India. खाना वीरान दिखाए कहा धर करते हैं, खुश रहो अहले वतन हम तो सफर करते हैं. These were the lines written by great Indian martyr Ram Prasad Bismil. These lines really tell us about the sacrifices that our martyrs gave for us. We really owe them our life. Here are some more images of the historical day. Take a look at these pictures captured when India made its tryst with destiny. Lord Mountbatten, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru and Dr. Rajendra Prasad in a pleasant interlude at the Independence Day session of the Constituent Assembly on August 15, 1947. Jawaharlal Nehru, as he delivered his famous Tryst with Destiny speech on the midnight of August 15, 1947. Distinguished audience is seen watching Jawaharlal Nehru delivering his famous Tryst with Destiny speech on the midnight of August 15, 1947. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru during the midnight session of the Constituent Assembly of India held on 14 and the 15th of August 1947. PM Jawaharlal Nehru addresses the nation from Red Fort on Independence Day, August 15, 1947. Thank you for watching. If you love and are proud of our Bharat, then do like and subscribe. Vande Mataram, Jai Hind.